Hey, what's up? It's Ryan Guy back with another video, and today, you guys, I just got back from a family Christmas, and I got this bag of stuff for has survival stuff in it. I've looked in here, I know what's in here, and there's one thing I've opened that didn't come with the bag, and that is this right here. So this right here is an Ozark Trail survival kit, and we're about to open it for you guys. Okay, and
going to put your pajamas on ready for me. Look at me.
Cool, I don't care. So, first thing we have is this paracord bracelet that has a whistle on it. And then we have this flint right there. That line is the flint. Go.
At bed.
Go. That's the flint, and then the rest is magnesium, I think. And what you do with the magnesium is do that, shave them off, and they're really flammable. They catch fire. This is a saw. Doesn't really look like it, but you saw it. Yeah, it's really sharp. Feels just like it's really sharp when I hold on to it. And what I need to do is I'm gonna try to get this. I'll get it over. And then these, they may not look like it, but these are towels. As you can see, they're towels. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it looks like. 8 mini towels.
What are you doing?
Making a YouTube video. And then we got this, it's silverware.
Hi, I'm Ava. I'm his older sister. Follow me on Instagram, PerryAva29 or 23. I'll link it. I'll send you that.
This is silverware. As you can see, it's got the spoon, fork, and knife. Don't know how sharp the knife is. We'll test that out here in a second. And on the fork, it looked like it had a can opener. So this is flashlight. Looks like we might need, new batteries, but nice little keychain flashlight. Works really well. Knife. I've actually used this today. I had to clean up my bag. It's a multi-tool. No, this is a Swiss Army. Has a knife. Try not to cut myself here. Scissors. Bottle opener. Another bottle opener. Corkscrew. I believe that's a screwdriver, but I don't know I forgot what it was called. And then looks like a file nail cleaning one. Has a nice grip. It looks really cool. And then we have a notebook. So all together, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 piece book, and it all fits in here. Go. there. Pretty sure goes. Nope. This goes. No. This goes here. No. All right. I'm already forgetting where everything goes. That goes there. That goes there. This goes here. This goes here. This goes here. And this goes there. I'll get back to you guys once I'm done taking care of this. We got it all packed up. Alright. On to the next thing. Probably could use something like that, but fishing pole. Looks like. Yeah. I'm gonna take this thing out. And we. Dang it, stupid thing. Alright, I'm gonna have to put that in later. We're gonna need this. This thing's like impossible to put back together. I'm telling you. We're gonna need this. I might just figure out. This plastic ain't too easy. Sharp though. It's really sharp. Alright, that should be it. I'm just gonna do this like flaying a fish. Take it and go down. Okay, that should be good. Cut this tackle box out. Sorry how long this is taking me. This is just seriously. Seriously, dude. There we go. Alright. First thing out of this is a little mini tackle box, and in that looks like we have some bobbers. That maybe couple little, I don't know what baits those are. Looks like maybe you guys have to tell me what these baits are for because I'm not the biggest fisher. There's some little bluegill hooks, little waders. Like some swivels. and then some other bass catching stuff. That looks like a decent, more of a hunter than a fisher, to be honest. I'm on team hunt. And if we're lucky, we might get some hunting videos in this year. My uncle almost filmed opening day. Oh, there's the rod. And with the reel. Alrighty, pull this sucker out. Crash. Okay, let's get the reel. Alright. My goodness. Oh. Look at that. Goodness, son. This thing folds out into a whole fishing rod. Look at this. Goodness. Goodness, son. That's a whole fishing rod. What? Look at this. It doesn't even break up. It just folds down into like... Look at this. Look at it compared to the knife and the knife compared to my hand. The knife is about up to my middle finger, okay? It's a pretty big knife. Goodness, son. This thing can take out a whale shark. Dang, this is like a catfish rod. Goodness. Dang. And I really have no clue how to put these on, but I'm doing the best I can. I think this is how you do it. This is how I usually get them, and that's how they're usually done. Tell me in the comment section if that's correct. Man, I'm not fishing right now, I'm just setting this up. You just take the line and you set this up. I mean, probably... Look at that! Gee. This is probably my new fishing rod. I mean, like, this is probably gonna be my go bag, to be honest. Dang. Why isn't that one coming out? Coming down. There it goes. And that's how small it gets. Okay, yeah, that's compared to, yeah, oh my gosh. Fishing pole. I'll take success. Okay, this one's actually really cool. Pots and pans. It says it includes one 6.7-inch fry pan, one 6.5-inch plate, one 7-ounce cup, one lid, and one 0.5 quarter pot. And it comes in a pretty small package. I mean, this is meant for like true survival here. This is meant for like people who go hiking every day. And they're just get hungry when they're hiking, so they're like, well, yeah, I'll take it. Don't really need the knife for that one, just a simple cut. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Whew. Okay. This is definitely the plate. Look at that. Nice shiny plate. Goodness! Cup. This is probably a lid to the bowl. Look at that. And then this is probably the frying pan. Goodness. Alright, now you gotta think. There. I'm not the smartest, but nope. Something like that. Cut this like that. This is probably gonna be over it. Put it. Goodness. And it's impossible to put back together. Nice. Boom. That's good. And what came with that is supposed to, well, it's not really supposed to come with it, but silverware. Yeah, this knife is definitely going to need to be sharpened. I just got it out of the package and this thing's cutting through everything. Fork, spoon, and knife. It's going to go... Yeah, those aren't going to fit. Never mind. These are going to be right on top of it. This thing is near the end. Alright, this is a s'more hot dog cooker. This has staples in it. Yeah, we're gonna use something else. This looking thing, because it looks cool. Dig in. Oh yeah. Thing takes it out like a pro. Jeez, this thing's scaring me half to death. I mean, like... There we go. And this thing looks like a freaking pitchfork, but it's like those things that you cook marshmallows and hot dogs on. I need to find that staple. And yeah, pretty cool. Shout out to my grandma and grandpa because they gave this to me. Alright, this is a tarp. I'm probably not going to get this out because I suck at folding. But sharp as that. Looks like there's a blade on this. Touch it. It needs more attention. Goodness! Well, that's two. Alright, we're using the blade. They just cut through that like that was butter. Nope, didn't cut it. There we go. Goodness. Alright, I'm definitely not getting this up because I suck at folding and this requires folding, but it's a tarp. Nice little lightweight tarp, I would say about a couple of ounces. Alright, we're going to set that off to the side right there to clear this thing out. Alrighty. Alright, this is a water carrier. Just do that. You gotta be careful of this one because, well, this one's, This one's plastic. Dang, this thing's sharp. Yeah, we definitely need to be careful. There. Alright, slide it out. Okay. You fill this thing up with water. That, and it holds.
Get all that stuff out to the garbage, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you.
33.8 fluid ounces of water. That's quite a bit. And then it has the lid on it to drink out of. That's pretty nice. Set that over there. We're nearing the end. We only have a couple of things. We got some hand warmers. Can't really open those. We got lantern. We got poncho. We got the flashlight. Goes from that to off to red. Don't know what the red light's for, but this is my new hunting light because it works, and probably Boy Scout light as well. And then I don't know if you're like allowed to open these, but I will anyway. Yeah, this is just a baggie with a poncho in it. I'm gonna leave it in this. And then last but definitely not least, this is probably the most important thing you need in any go bag. This would be, one second, I need you guys to guess. Yeah. This thing cuts through cardboard like butter. Goodness, son. This is a first aid kit. It has hand clean wipes, 2 of those. I'm guessing alcohol pad. Yeah, I'm guessing these are alcohol pads for, yeah, cleaning out wounds. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Band-Aids and 2 gauze pads. No tape. We could definitely stick some tape in there. I have some. Nice. This is a nice first aid kit. Nice. And that is it. And this is the bag that it came in. It has, let's see here, let's start over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carabiners. Has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets, a lot of loops for the carabiners, and yeah, this thing can hold a lot. And we're going to be putting everything back in here, and I don't know what else we're going to do. I mean, like, out of everything, I'm guessing, at first I thought it was the pans, but now I think it's this. This thing is just, I go to this Manitou Island because I live in Michigan, and you guys haven't ever heard of the story about the bears, the ancient story about the bears, the sand dune bears. The Manitous are actually the cubs, and I go to one of the Manitous. This is gonna be our 3rd year. So yeah, I'm gonna start putting everything back in here. getting ready because this is my go bag. If I have to go somewhere and it's last minute, this is what I'm going to be taking with me. Has most of the stuff I need. I can find bait for fishing, and either I can probably gig a frog with this if I sharpened up the ends if I really wanted to. Yeah, overall this is a really good survival set. Shout out to my grandma and grandpa because they're the ones that gave me this whole bag. And same with my Uncle Beef because he's the one that got me this survival kit that I have to put everything back in. This knife, saw. This is a really bright lantern. Whoa. And everything fits in here with still some more space. If I put everything in here neatly, I could probably fit a lot more than just what it came with. A lot more. So, yeah, I'll get back to you and I'll try to find something else to do because this video's actually way longer than I expected. Never mind. But yeah, thanks for watching today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. And sorry for that I'm not making as much videos. I'm very busy. Bye.